Hello everyone, welcome back to another video.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome to our unsettled journey.
We wanted to bring you today's video to show you a little bit of the equipment that we use when we're on the road traveling, because we are learning to travel lightly and pack everything that we need into as small a space as possible. So we wanted to show you some of the equipment that works for us to bring you the quality footage that we try to have in our videos each week. Hopefully, if you're out there ready to get your adventure started and want to travel a little bit more, we hope that these tips and some of the equipment that we use will help you to travel lightly. And if you did want some of these products for yourself, we will have a link for you in the description box below so that you can easily find them and get any of the products that we're about to mention today.
So to start off here, the main thing, which is what we're currently filming on, is of course our camera. Now there may be better cameras out there, but this one is a little bit older, but it is also more affordable than many other highly expensive cameras out there. It is the Canon Rebel T3i, and I've had it for quite some time now, probably about 8 or 10 years. And it's really versatile. It's a DSLR. You can switch out the lenses for it, have multiple different settings for it, as well as multiple different attachments. And the best thing about it, the view monitor screen flips out and you're able to actually see yourself while filming, which is the beautiful part, and one of the reasons why I enjoyed this camera. We're not saying this is the best camera, we're just telling you that this is the camera that we currently use. We may upgrade in the future and we will let you all know if we do so. However, this is what we're using currently. It's fairly light compared to other cameras out there. But as of now, this is what we're currently using, and we all just wanted to update you about that.
Matt and I are both into photography, so the nice thing about this Canon camera is it does take awesome photos, which we sometimes post over on our Instagram page. You can follow us if you aren't already at Our Unsettled Journey, where we post other content that you won't find here on YouTube. And speaking of the lenses, we use two different types of lenses, a wide-angle lens and a zoom lens. Another product that we use to capture our videos that we've had for a few years as well is the GoPro Hero 4. I've had this since about 2016, and we mostly use this for any type of action activity. Of course, it is kind of a sports camera, so we use this also because of its waterproof feature for underwater footage, anything that we do that might be out in the water, because of course it has the waterproof case, but this has 4K quality and gets some pretty nice shots when you're out doing some extreme stuff that we wouldn't want to bring our nicer, expensive camera on.
And one nice feature about that too is you can set up a time lapse, so you can literally just set it and forget it.
GoPro is known for their endless accessories, so we have a few. We have the selfie stick, we have this one that floats in the water to help if we're out in rough surf, it won't sink to the bottom. Just general tripods and numerous straps that allow you to fix the camera to either your chest, your wrist, your head, wherever you feel like you might get the best shot.
Another accessory that we just recently purchased is a onboard microphone, and this microphone is really nice because it mounts right on top of the camera and it hooks directly into it, so you don't have to worry about any syncing of the microphone to the video, which is really nice. And it is a unidirectional shotgun microphone, so it only records in the direction that it is facing primarily. Sort of cancels out the background noise, which is really nice, and that has really upgraded our audio quality recently as to eliminating some of the background noises. It does come with a windsock, and as well as what's nice about this microphone, it has a shock absorber built right into the microphone, so if your camera is rattling around a lot, unlike our previous microphone which did, this one absorbs that sound and it doesn't carry on over into the recording of the microphone, which is really nice. And you can go ahead and buy that for about $50, give or take, online. We got ours on Amazon.com, and it's just really nice and definitely has enhanced our audio quality of our videos.
When you're filming as much as we do, it does create a lot of storage, so one thing that we really like to travel with so that everything isn't loose is the Hunski water and dust proof case. It holds up to 8 SD cards in it, as well as underneath the SD cards you can put micro SD cards. And of course this is just a nice thing to have because, again, you never know when you're going to run out of space. Sometimes we're traveling away from home and we don't necessarily have access to run out and buy an SD card very quickly. We like to have some extras on hand just in case, and the nice thing is it is waterproof and dustproof, so your memories and your footage will be safe.
So another thing that we're going to talk about here is the Ecticity. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this. I'm not even sure if they're still around, but nonetheless, it is a reflector as well as a diffuser. So what this is, it's a nice compact reflector, and we have used it in certain situations. Say for example we're shooting in the shade and we need a little bit of a boost for our faces just to get that little bit of extra kick to us. So we're well rounded and the whole scene is well lit. It's nice and compact, and it even folds out and it folds into this huge 24-inch in diameter reflector board, and then you can go ahead and open it up, its zipper, and you can take out the diffuser, and then it also has a golden sign which you can flip out and zip up in reverse if you want a more warmer feel to it. But if you were to add some reflection to us, it adds just that little bit of light just so you can have that nice little touch to your video. And it's nice and compact, and you can definitely travel with it.
You may have seen this next product in some of our videos when we're out vlogging and filming. It's because this is the Vivitar Black Gear Backpack, and it's not oversized, so when we're traveling on an airplane it fits underneath the seat, but it also has plenty of compartments for everything that we have pretty much showed you in the video today. Of course, some of it lives on the side or clipped onto the strap of the outside, but everything else fits conveniently right inside and is great to travel with. So one of us will usually have a backpack with food, water, other essentials, and then the other person is carrying this Vivitar backpack.
So the nice thing about this is it's water resistant and it repels water, although it's not waterproof, but it has really held up fairly nicely, although I do jam pack this thing tight occasionally, and it does hold up pretty well. So next up on our list here is the Atico AT24 Traveler Lightweight Tripod. And the reason why I went with this is because of the lightweight aspect of it. It is made out of aluminum, and I believe it's roughly about 3 pounds, give or take. So what's nice about this tripod is it's very versatile. It can go really tall, along with, it also transforms into a monopod. You can take the top off, as well as one of the legs. You can change it from a tripod into a monopod for that easy on-the-go mobility. And it has lots of different hooks and straps to it, so you can attach multiple things to it. And overall, we have used this tripod a lot, and it's very versatile, like I mentioned. But the main reason why we got it is because it's lightweight. It doesn't really add on too much weight, which is really nice when you're on the go and traveling.
This product we don't use all the time, but we do always carry it with us no matter what, because we never know what situations we will be in that might be not lit the best. So this is the Neewer CN160, and it attaches right onto the top of the camera to just illuminate our faces a little bit more if we were ever in a dark situation. It does have a brightness adjuster on the side, so you can adjust how bright you need the extra light to be. It also has filters depending on the type of light that you want. And the convenient thing about this is that it is battery powered, so you can pretty much get batteries anywhere. We travel with extra batteries, so it's battery powered and just gives you extra light when you need it.
And last but not least, just some little items here that we always travel with more recently is a whistle temperature compass combo. It can help in those emergency situations. And we also travel with a little flashlight. It has multiple settings to it, as a strobe setting and higher levels of light. So it's nice and portable, just something you never know when you're gonna need.
That's gonna do it for our gear video. Again, we just wanted to bring you some of the items that we use because we are moving forward to full-time travel, and so we thought the mix of gear that we have is perfect balance for us. It makes it easy for us to move about fairly easily. Everything isn't overpowering and we don't have a ton of stuff, but again, we do try to bring you quality videos each week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already and join our Unsettled Journey. You can also click the bell notification to be notified of future videos that we post.
So thank you for watching. We do appreciate it, and we'll see you all next week.
Bye.